Septic tank inspections are an important aspect of maintaining a healthy and functional septic system. In this video, we will discuss when and why septic tank inspections should be done. Regular septic tank inspections are crucial to prevent potential issues and to ensure that your septic system is working efficiently. Inspections help identify any problems early on and allow for prompt repairs, saving you from costly damage and inconvenience. Septic tank inspections should be done at least once every 3 years. However, if you notice any signs of a problem such as slow drains, standing water, or foul odors, it's important to get your septic system inspected as soon as possible. Additionally, before buying or selling a property with a septic system, a thorough inspection should be conducted. During a septic tank inspection, a professional will examine the components of your septic system, including the tank, pipes, and drainfield. They will check for any signs of damage, leaks, or blockages. The inspector may also measure the scum and sludge layers in the tank to determine if it needs to be pumped. In addition to regular inspections, proper maintenance is essential to keep your septic system running smoothly. This includes avoiding flushing non-biodegradable items down the toilet, conserving water, and ensuring that only appropriate waste is going into the septic tank. By conducting septic tank inspections at the right intervals and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure the longevity and functionality of your septic system. Don't neglect this important aspect of homeownership and schedule your next septic tank inspection today.